Okay, so AquaWeaver sent me these water filters. So these are filter replacements that you put in your water filter, and it's pretty basic. I mean, as it says here, these remove or filter out dirt, rust, does that say silt? Yeah, silt and sand and other sediments. So, you know, helps your water not have stuff that can contaminate it. I have pulled up over here just a couple of the, I guess, water filters, and I don't really know what these are, but I mean, you can use this on the RFC-BBSA, the AP810, DGB 5005. I don't really know what all of these are. If you know that you have one of those, there's even more, but you can look at the listing that they have, and if you have one, then you can probably replace it with this. But yeah, it's I mean, dimensions are here. It says it's about 10 inches tall, and I think a 2 radiuses of 4.5. I forget what diameter. I'm stupid. But yeah, there's not much other than that. They come in these plastic wraps, containment. I'll even, you know what, heck it, let's open one up. So, oh, that was not what I was expecting it would feel like. It's like a weird middle ground of like kind of like toilet paper, but also a tiny bit of like, not foam, yeah, kind of foamy, but like the foam you would feel in a like a gymnastics setting, I guess. And yeah, I think there is, if you look closely, you can see like there's layers to it. And so I imagine that like these filters that you have, you would just drop it in down there, or like, you know, put it on a spindle like you would a thing of paper towels. But yeah, I'm basically rambling at this point, feels like, but that's about it. Nothing on the back of this card, but yeah, if you know that this can replace your water filter, go for it, because replacing those is important.